Hello beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Today we're talking about the best home remedy for skin tightening and wrinkles on the face. Now this is my mortar and pestle. I got this from Amazon and I'll be using this today to actually crush one of the ingredients, which is alum powder. We're going to crush it a little bit more finer in this recipe. Alum has some amazing benefits for the skin, and I wanted to share this recipe with you, especially for tightening and also wrinkles on the face. For the face, alum powder is great for skin tightening, lifting, and removing wrinkles. Alum is a naturally occurring ingredient that has astringent properties and has been used in many anti-aging and anti-wrinkle creams. Alum can help make your skin tight and remove wrinkles from it. So this is a two-part treatment. In this portion of the treatment, we took 1 teaspoon of the alum powder and crushed it. And this is the one that I use. We'll also be making use of raw, unfiltered organic honey. This is what we'll be using in this homemade remedy. 1 teaspoon is what we'll need of the honey because it's a great antioxidant, and honey has anti-aging properties which help to tighten saggy skin. Exactly what's needed in this recipe. After I've mixed all of that up, I'm going to put it in a small container, and this container here, you can actually store this for about a week or so, but chances are you would have used it completely up the first week, and for the next week you'll be ready to make another batch. So I'm just dipping it all into this little container here, and once I finish getting all of this goodness scraped out of this container, we should be ready to actually apply this wonderful amazing mix. Now what we consider this is as the scrub portion of this treatment, a mild scrub. Just lightly and gently scrub your face with this. So I'm ready to go ahead and apply this now to my face. Again, this little container here will store this for up to a week, and then you'll be ready to make another batch. So let's go ahead and apply it to the face. Wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin can occur due to various factors such as sun exposure, aging process, repeated facial expressions, and even sudden weight loss. There are lots of alternatives for diminishing or getting rid of wrinkles. The available choices may include surgery, filler injections, Botox injections, dermabrasion, which is very expensive and may also have side effects. This is a wonderful, simple remedy that you can do at home. Now let's get ready to do part 2 of this remedy. So I let that sit on my face for 5 to 10 minutes and rinsed it off with warm water. Now with part 2 of this treatment, we will also crush the alum powder, but doing things just slightly different. We'll let the alum powder sit in 1 teaspoon of water for about 10 to 30 minutes to soak out all of the ingredients that are so needed in tightening the skin. 1 teaspoon of alum powder in 1 teaspoon of water. Now we'll pour the alum water into a separate container, and then we'll proceed on with mixing 1 teaspoon of honey and a half teaspoon of hyaluronic acid into this mix. Now when it comes to the actual hyaluronic acid as part of this mixture, you'll be amazed. Hyaluronic acid will do this for your skin. It'll help it become more plump, lines and wrinkles disappear, and the skin visibly tightens, giving you that toned look that you remember from your youth. And this tightening effect doesn't just work on your face, so remember that. Now, I mixed mine and I thought, well, let me just get my little frother to go ahead and blend this to perfection. This frother is amazing. Y'all, again, it's an Amazon seller offering this and I love it so much. Now, it's time for the second treatment. Let's go ahead and apply it to the face. Now this, I'm just going to take like a foundation brush that I have and apply it. I try my best to always brush upward, but that doesn't always work. But just remember, unless I did this steadily for about 2,568 hours, it's not going to affect your face if you go down with the brush. It's not going to harm it at all. The worst harm you can do to your skin is sleeping on it in one spot all night long, honey. But other than that, you are good to brush it on in whatever direction you can get it on there. So now that it has been applied, we're going to let this sit on the face, and this is going to stay on 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll rinse it off with warm water. Now you would, after rinsing, need to apply a moisturizer. I love avocado oil because avocado oil does help in the tightening process, but you can also use your favorite moisturizer. Keep in mind that I will have all of this information listed in the description box for you, so you'll have the recipe and you'll also have the links, ready shop links, that you can use in order to purchase these ingredients. This is amazing. You will see immediate results with this, but you must continue it. Do this remedy at least 2 to 3 times a week. After 2 weeks, do this once a week for maintenance. Let me know how your experience is by commenting down in the comments for me. You're going to love your skin. That youthful glow will be yours. Tightening, fine lines and wrinkles disappearing. Why do you not see the wrinkles and fine lines on my face? Honey, because I do my treatments. I'm your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now. Go ahead and keep watching the next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and please share me with your world. Bye-bye.